I have tried the viral,
ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ ಕಬಾಬ್.
and as Chandru Avre said, you will go.
ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Comment and share with your friends and family.